Okay, wait. Check this goal out. We got Lamine Yamal. One single reason why FC Barcelona dominated Newcastle was how smartly Hansi Flick used Lamine Yamal. We are used to seeing Lamine Yamal on the right wing. Of course, he takes one-on-ones. He goes through the wing. But it was something different this time. Constantly switching positions up and down. We saw him coming in the central area more often than ever. We saw him, attacking as a false nine in some of the attacks. We saw how he drifted to the left side, to the left wing, now and then from the right side. It's a masterpiece. It's something Newcastle did not expect, and it was out of the box. No. Now look at the second goal. This will tell you how important Robert Lewandowski is for this team. So we got Gerard Martin, who is, by far one of the best defenders in the world right now. He is the, main initiator from the back line. He creates the progressive passes. I mean, I love this Barca team, man. Now look at this. So in the 51st minute, when it's crucial for FC Barcelona to score, we got Gerard Martin, who has the ball in the back line. Now what happens here is, if you observe Robert Lewandowski's position, he pulls a defender, he pulls a centre back towards himself, which allows Firmino to exploit that space, and Gerard Martin hence finds a gap for Rafinha. Now how did he find this gap? The midfielder who was marking Fermin Lopez tried to track him back, which caused a lot of space for Gerard Martin to see Rafinha on through the line. Now we see this, Rafinha delivers a beautiful pass. Firmin is unmarked. He has a lot of space, carries the ball, beautiful finish, beautiful goal. And भाई क्या खेली है बात. Lewandowski pull करता है defender को, which allows, a back three of Newcastle. This gives space for Fermin Lopez to space देता है भाई भागने के लिए. In behind run देता है Fermin Lopez. On through ball, Gerard Martin Rafinha के पास डालता है. Rafinha को मिलता है. Rafinha gives it to Fermin Lopez. Beautiful goal. Beautiful coordination from FC Barcelona. 90 minutes along in Spotify Camp Nou. And this has been proved कि भाई अपन काफी आगे जा सकते हैं. And the point being here is, FC Barcelona is the best attacking team in the world right now, alongside PSG and Bayern. It would be interesting to see कि भाई अगर ये ऐसी teams एक दूसरे को face करते हैं तो क्या होगा. And the way the team played, the way the team showed character after second half, भाई पता नहीं Hansi Flick ने क्या किया second half में. Probably he did this in the second half. I don't know. They just clicked in the second half, and usually they click in the second half. First half अपन layback करते हैं. And the propaganda Hansi Flick uses is कि भाई अगर सामने वाली टीम एक गोल मार रही है तो हम 2 गोल मारेंगे. And this is what comes at the cost of playing high line. Like तुम लोग goals खाने वाले हो, उसको कोई stop ही नहीं है. But that's the point. You go so aggressive on the pressing, you go so aggressive on the attacks, you go so aggressive on the counters that the team has no space to breathe. और मेरे हिसाब से this is probably Hansi Flick's way of playing. If you recall his days at Bayern, he's known for this, and that's what I'm trying to say कि भाई अगर तुम्हारे सामने FC Barcelona है and you are competing well enough, you're not competing well enough. So Lamine Yamal भाई Instagram story डाल दी, and that guy delivers भाई. Beautiful game by Lamine Yamal. We saw him centrally this time, and the reason Hansi Flick played him centrally was कि भाई अब Newcastle players are fucking 6 feet tall. You don't expect them to rotate like 360 degrees. You don't expect them to be that agile as Lamine Yamal. And hence, he used that to exploit the midfield so that, Lamine Yamal can break through the midfield line or, centrally thoda attack zyada kar paye. And this is magical, guys. This is too good. This is absolute cinema. We have won 7-2. And I think Hansi Flick brought on Ferran Torres so that the scoreline does not reach 8-2 क्योंकि उसको अपने बायन का रिकॉर्ड नहीं तोड़ना है 8-2 का. It's never been this happy this season, and it's a fucking magical performance from all of the players. Pau Cubarsí, we got Cancelo. I love these guys, man. And भाई रहम कर दो न्यूकैसल पे और मार सकते थे. And we see how important is Lewandowski in the positioning. Experience is so important. और जो लोग लेवेंडोस्की को ब्लेम करते आ रहे हैं कि भाई योर टाइम हैज पास्ड, ही डिड परफॉर्म बैड इन द फर्स्ट हाफ. He could have scored 3 goals, 4 goals easily. Prime Lewandowski होता तो भाई, but you know कि भाई अगर Lewandowski lock in करता है तो क्या potential hold करता है. And it's just class is permanent, guys. Class is permanent. Rafinha once again showing how he's the most important player in this team. Pedri had a great game. उसका तो हर गेम अच्छा रहता है, क्या ही बोलूँ उसके लिए. कहाँ से लाते हैं ला मासिया के प्लेयर्स ये लोग, पता नहीं. I don't know what they feed to these players, and it's just amazing to see कि भाई कैसे tactical genius of Hansi Flick has come back to life once again. भाई लास्ट सीजन के फ्लैशबैक्स आ गए मेरे को. अब लोग बोले कि भाई न्यू कैसल ही था, 13th प्लेस टीम है. लेकिन न्यू कैसल इज नॉट अ बैड टीम गाइस. इट इज अ क्वाइट a good team, even though they are 30 in the Premier League, but it's a tough team guys. भाई 6 फुट के बंदे गाजियाबाद से लेके आते हैं लोग, और हमारे बच्चे इनफ है इन लोग को दिखाने के लिए कि भाई 45 कैंप नो में ये बकचोदी नहीं चले. एंड वी आर ऑफ टू semi-finals, sorry, my bad. We're off to quarterfinals, guys. It's going to be interesting to see how we gonna fend off Atletico de Madrid in the quarterfinals. It's time for revenge once again, and we ain't gonna stop. We ain't gonna stop. तीनों के तीनों मार दो इनको. हराम बॉल नहीं चाहिए अपने को UEFA Champions League में. We don't want Atletico to pass on to the semi-finals. We have to kill them. और लीग में भी 2 मैचेस है. लीग में भी 1 मैच है एथलेटिको का. So we are gonna face them 3 times in the span of like 2 weeks. 2 legs of quarterfinals and 1 in the league match. And क्यों ना तीनों बार हराया जाए and डिएगो सिमियोनी को बताया जाए कि भाई चुपचाप घर जाओ. Anyways guys, like करो, and we are gonna come up with why Finalissima got cancelled and why it shouldn't have in the next video probably. We'll see how it goes. Till then, Visca El Barça. Ciao. Love this team, bye. Love this team.